and I would say the friendship that we want to share with all the member states which are close to us. We have had in the past a number of embassies and high commissions which have been set here, which have been working here, and now we see a number of friendly countries want to have closer ties, have closer bonds, and facilitate not only friendship but also trade, investment, exchange of capacity, and it is in that perspective that we welcome you. And I think that first of all I would like to say a word to you. I think that we have never been so close to Saudi Arabia as we are now. I don't think that the fact that we have flights every week is just a beginning. But I think we are close from the heart. And I would like Your Excellency to extend to His Royal Highness and to Prince Salman that we really would like to have an even closer relationship with you. And also we are thankful for all the grants which have been handed over so gracefully, and also thankful for all the help that you're going to give us in the future. As I told Your Excellency, what we would wish, in fact, is that we have an embassy of the whole kingdom, also Arabia, based in Mauritius, with a visibility over the Indian Ocean, which is becoming, as you are right aware now, the Indian Ocean has become one of the most geopolitically crucial, strategically crucial areas in the world. Korea, Singapore go through this. 80% of trade with Africa goes through this. So we are looking forward to working together. So, shukran jazeelan. As for Ghana, I think you have also become a symbol, because we have been trying for some time now to have this. So you don't have the signature in English?
Just in
Shukran jazeelan.
This is the